Hey loves, it's Shelby and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, you know I love you. As always, I am back with another studio vlog. Happy Thursday. I hope you're being blessed and staying safe. Excuse the background noise as usual. The kids are here because it is technically Saturday. It's July the 9th to be exact. This video is probably going to end up coming out in August since I'm like trying to get organized. But nonetheless, today I'm doing a studio vlog. I am like I did record some footage of me packing a wholesale order that I had to get out today, and then God has been just so generous today, like just in general he's just been so generous. I got some more wholesale orders today, so I need to work on those. So pretty much for today's vlog is just going to be me working on wholesale orders, which is just always interesting and a good time for lack of better words. Literally, like, it's just always interesting to see what people are ordering for their retail shop, to kind of try to figure out what's going to be like in demand or popular for the resale side versus like the customer side. So I'm learning a lot. I'm still very new to wholesale, literally very new. Like, I literally just got my whole catalog on Fair and Abound, so very new to wholesale, still learning, still trying to figure out. Okay, calm down. But I'm gonna stop rambling and get to work. Honestly, I'm procrastinating with getting to work by sitting here talking to you guys. I'm just literally trying to avoid the inevitable. So I'm gonna stop talking and actually start working on these orders so that my stress level can go down some. Thank you guys. See you in a little bit. Bye. it shall be. I am back. It's Monday, and Saturday and Sunday was crazy busy. Sunday, Jay took the kids fishing, so I was able to like work by myself all day, which was amazing. Well, it was a lot of hard work. I literally worked from like 7 to 6 o'clock to get these 4 wholesale orders taken care of, and it took literally the whole time they were gone to finish. I still need to actually put the tissue paper in the boxes and just do a double check on the count for all the orders. So that's what I'm going to show you guys me doing this morning before work starts, since USPS is supposed to pick up the packages today. But yeah, it was really busy. Sorry I didn't get that much footage because funny enough, the kids lost one of my SD cards, and so yeah, I just didn't have an SD card to actually record all the work that I did yesterday. So that's great, but you know, mom life. Anyway, so like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and put the tissue paper in these boxes, do my second count just to make sure that all the items are in there that was ordered, and get the packages set out so that USPS can pick them up this morning. All right, let's get started. I will say one of the great things that has happened as a part of just having these wholesale orders has been that it's forced me, or it's helped me to start to think more about branding and how I can be more consistent in my branding, so that when someone receives a package from me, or when someone sees my item in person, that they know that it's from me. So you'll notice that all of the items that are packaged here and shown here, like the bookmarks, for example, the stickers, they all have the same backing card, and that's because I am working to basically update all of my like branding so it can be more consistent. So if you place an order in the Etsy shop, you will notice that change rolling out. Obviously I do have some items that have already been, you know, packaged and created, so those I'm not going to be throwing away, you know, perfectly good backing cards, but everything that I like all the new batches I make will be with basically the new branding. So I'm definitely excited about all the things that are coming. There's a lot of new products coming out this year, which I'm really excited about. I got my calendar all scheduled and set up, so I know exactly what I'm going to be rolling out. I didn't want it to come on, but I have all of the calendar all set up for the year, so I'm really excited. I know everything that I plan on releasing in the shop, so pretty much just about every other week there'll be new items in the shop, so that is super exciting. So definitely make sure you keep a lookout. If you're not already, make sure you join my email tribe. That is typically where I go ahead and announce any new items that are in the shop, and I do make sure to send weekly emails. They're always, you know, Bible based encouragement. That's what it's all about. So if you know, just want a little bit of encouragement, that's a great place to get some. And then also, if you just want to know what's going on with the shop, new items that are coming out, or want to be ahead and know when there's a sale. Sometimes I do sales and I only share the code in with the email tribe. So if you want to join the email tribe, definitely make sure to do so. I'll try to remember to put a link in the description box, but if it's not there, just make a comment and I will make sure to get you the link so that you can subscribe and join our email tribe. But yeah, so so many things happening, all the things happening. It's all blessings on blessings on blessings. I'm so grateful for every opportunity that God has given me, and I'm just grateful for the opportunity to be able to share my spiritual journey with you all through my stationery, and I'm just grateful, literally just grateful for everything, even the little things like waking up another day and having good health. And so I'm going to stop rambling now. I hope you guys are doing amazing. I hope you are staying safe. Be blessed. If you have not already, make sure you check out the latest Bible study with me video, since I'm trying to post those more regularly. And yeah, I think I'm on track to post videos weekly, so definitely make sure you subscribe if you have not already, and just know a new video is coming your way every Thursday. I'll also be posting weekly blog posts. Like I said, you guys, I've been working really hard to get my calendar together, so yep, I have my schedule all ready for weekly blog posts as well. So if you're looking for some encouragement and and all the good things, make sure you follow us on Shelby.com. That is where I post my blog posts every week. I also have my shop on there as well, so you can order from there or you can order on my Etsy shop. And then, of course, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can see our studio vlogs, and you'll also be able to see our Bible study with me videos. So, yeah, if you guys have any ideas of things you want to see from me, make sure you drop a comment below. Always looking for new ideas, new content to share with you guys. That's, you know, of course, encouraging and scripture related. But of course, if you have questions like business wise, you can drop those in. If I feel like it's something that I'm knowledgeable about, then I'll make a video. But I'm going to stop rambling and get off of here because it's about time for me to get ready for work. But I hope you guys are just having an amazing day. And I want to speak blessings over you. And I hope that you will say to yourself that you are blessed, because you are. All right, you guys. Bye.
Subscribe to my mommy channel. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.